Imagine an old, dusty clock sitting silently in a corner, its hands frozen in time. For decades, it's been just a piece of furniture, a relic of a bygone era. But what if its silence wasn't emptiness? What if, within its intricate gears and weathered wood, it held a secret, a forgotten melody, a whimsical tune waiting for the right moment to be rediscovered? Today, we're going on a journey to unlock the magic hidden inside this ancient timepiece. Prepare to be enchanted as we bring a lost sound back to life. A sound that promises to fill your heart with wonder and joy. This isn't just any clock. Look at the craftsmanship, the faded details on its face, the elegant curve of its case. It stands like a silent sentinel, guarding memories we can only guess at. Think of the world it has witnessed, the laughter, the conversations, the quiet moments that have passed before it. It's been a silent observer for so long, its own voice lost to the ages. What stories could it tell if it could speak? What wonders are locked away behind its glass door? We're about to find out. Our journey into discovery begins now, and I have a feeling we're about to uncover something truly special. For weeks, I've been drawn to this clock. Sometimes, when the house is perfectly still, I'd swear I could hear a faint hum, a ghost of a vibration from within its wooden body. It was more than just the settling of old wood. It was a whisper of time, a subtle clue that something more was waiting inside. Was it just my imagination, or was the clock trying to tell me something? These little mysteries are what make life so exciting, aren't they? It felt like an invitation, a puzzle begging to be solved. So, I decided to investigate. Very carefully, I began to examine every inch of it. I ran my fingers over the carvings, searching for a hidden latch or a secret compartment. The process was slow, meticulous. I didn't want to damage this beautiful piece of history. With every gentle touch, the anticipation grew. It felt like I was an archaeologist, carefully brushing away the dust of centuries to reveal a hidden treasure. The air was thick with expectation. What would I find? A forgotten letter? A hidden jewel? The possibilities were endless. And then, I found it, tucked away at the very back, almost completely concealed by the main clockwork, was a small, ornate lever. It wasn't part of the timekeeping mechanism. It was something else entirely. My heart started to race. This had to be it. With a gentle push, I heard a soft click. A hidden panel slid open, revealing a dusty, intricate music box, its brass cylinder gleaming faintly in the light. It looked like it hadn't been seen, let alone played, for a lifetime. The moment of truth was here. What would it sound like after all this time? With a deep breath, I carefully wound the tiny key. The gears, stiff from years of inactivity, began to turn with a reluctant groan. And then, it happened. A single, clear note emerged, cutting through the silence of the room. It was followed by another and another, until a delicate, enchanting melody filled the air. It wasn't like any tune I had ever heard before. It was whimsical, a little bit melancholic, but filled with an undeniable sense of wonder. It was the clock's forgotten song, finally free after so many years of silence. Listening to it, I felt a wave of emotions wash over me. It was like hearing a voice from the past. The melody was so pure, so full of character, it sparked my imagination, painting pictures of children dancing in a sunlit room, of quiet evenings by the fire, of stories being told from one generation to the next. It was pure nostalgia for a time I'd never even known. This simple tune had an immediate, magical appeal. It felt like a warm hug, a reminder of the simple joys in life. It's the kind of melody that can make anyone, of any age, stop and smile. How does a melody like this get forgotten? I can imagine a family moving away, carefully packing their belongings, but overlooking the clock's hidden secret. Or perhaps the key was lost, and with it, the knowledge of the music box inside. Maybe a clockmaker, long ago, added it as a personal touch, a secret gift for the owner that was never discovered. The rediscovery feels just as significant as its creation. This melody has the power to connect us, to create new memories. A tune that was once private can now be shared, bringing people together in a shared moment of wonder. What does this melody make you think of? What stories does it inspire in your imagination? Close your eyes and just listen for a moment. Does it take you back to a childhood memory? Does it make you dream of a fantasy world? The beauty of art is that it speaks to each of us differently. Its journey is our journey now. It's a reminder that there is so much beauty in the world, waiting to be found in the most unexpected places. Have you ever stumbled upon a forgotten treasure? Maybe an old box of photographs in the attic, or a book with a heartfelt inscription inside. Those moments of unexpected discovery are pure magic. They connect us to the past and remind us that stories are all around us, waiting to be heard. Share your own experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about the hidden gems you found in your own lives. How does this melody make you feel? Let's talk about the stories it inspires. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of rediscovery. Let's all try to keep our eyes and our ears open to the magic that's hidden in the everyday. You never know when you might uncover a forgotten song of your own. If you enjoyed this story, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more adventures into the beautiful and the forgotten. Until next time, stay curious.